Being a working mom means wearing about 10 hats at once, and tech has become my secret weapon for staying sane. I recently came across 5 smart gadgets that are changing the game for work-life balance. First up, the Timesheet Smart Productivity Tool. It's like having a personal assistant that blocks distractions and keeps you laser focused during work hours. I just tap it to set my workflow mode, and everything else fades out. Next is the Ember Smart Mug 2. Sounds simple, but keeping my coffee at the perfect temperature actually helps me stay energized and in control without having to reheat it 6 times a morning. The Upright Go 2 posture trainer might be my favorite. It's this tiny gadget that buzzes me when I slouch. It's a small thing that's made a huge difference in how I feel by the end of the day. Then there's the Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. Honestly, this one's genius. I can jot down notes by hand, scan them with the app, and they instantly upload to the cloud. Less paper clutter, more brain clarity. Finally, the Muse S Brain Sensing Headband. This one's for winding down. It tracks brain activity to guide me through meditation sessions that actually work, even when I only have 5 minutes between meetings and dinner time. These gadgets aren't just tools, they're sanity savers. If you're juggling work and parenting, tech like this doesn't just help you get more done, it gives you a little breathing room, and that makes all the difference.